Hey everyone, so today's video is going to be about how to make popcorn. Just so you know, I got my popcorn right here. Just so you know, it came out of a bag of popcorn. Just so you know, it's going to be cooked in a microwave. Okay, so let's go and get started on this video and show you guys how to make popcorn today. So this is the kitchen area. That's where we're going to be making my popcorn. Here's the popcorn that I'm going to be making today. It's extra butter popcorn. It comes with 12 bags. It's just a normal popcorn-ish, so it's pretty good little popcorn. Alright, so you know the microwave I'm going to be using is this one right here. That's the microwave I'm going to be using to put my popcorn in. So I'm going to go ahead and open up a bag here and put it in the microwave. So I'm going to put that there, and then I'm going to put my phone on a tripod here. Okay, so this is the popcorn. I'm going to open it up now. Let's see. It's kind of hard to open it with one-handed, just so you guys know. So that's why I have to use two hands to open this up. So what you want to do with popcorn, this is the side that you need to be facing. Not this way, but this way, okay? Just so you know. I'm going to go ahead and take my phone, and then I'm going to put it in the microwave for the popcorn. Okay, so I'm going to take this, come over here, alright, and then I'm going to open this up. Alright, so that's the microwave. It looks nice and clean. Well, sort of, okay. But I'm going to place it in like that, this side up, okay, and then I'm going to close it, and then I'm going to put in popcorn. Just so you know, with the popcorn, it takes about maybe 2 minutes at most, just so you know. Alright, so I'm going to push the button. Alright, so as you can see, it's popping.
A few minutes later.
Alright, there it goes. That should be all of it, so I'm going to take it out here in just a second. Alright, there we go. Ooh, popcorn is finished. Nice. Alright, get the popcorn bag out. And then I'm going to go get a bowl here and then put it inside the bowl for my popcorn. Let's see. So this is the bowl I'm going to be using to put my popcorn in. Alright, so I'm going to put the popcorn inside now. Alright, so here comes the popcorn. It's going to go all inside there. Ooh, that looks good. Nice little popcorn. And the thing is, I'm going to be adding some seasoning to it. Is white cheddar. I'm going to take this and spread it around. Oops, wrong one. There we go. That's better. I picked the wrong side. My bad. Alright, so I'm going to spray cheddar on it, and that looks good. So there you go. There's my popcorn. So let's go to my room and do a test taste here for you today. So I'm back here in my bedroom. Just so you know, we're going to do a quick test taste on this popcorn as I made. Alright, so I'm going to do a nice test taste. It's not bad for a popcorn, just so you know, it's pretty good. Just so you know, I'm going to give this an A+. Just so you know, it's all gone because it's so good. And it's also good when you're watching a movie or drinking some water or soda or something like that. But yeah, this is a good popcorn. But anyway, I think that's pretty much it today on how to make popcorn and test taste and all that fun stuff. If you guys want to see more, just leave a like and subscribe if you're new here. And I want to say thanks for watching.